In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Todoist dark mode. If you're someone who prefers using applications in dark mode, either to reduce eye strain or simply because you enjoy the aesthetic, this tutorial is going to be perfect for you. So let's dive right in and transform your Todoist interface to a sleek, dark appearance. First off, we need to get to the Todoist website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the search bar. Simply type Todoist and hit enter. This will lead you to the search results where you'll see the link to the Todoist official website. Go ahead and click on the link to navigate to the site. Once you're on the main page of the Todoist website, you're going to want to log into your account. Look to the top right corner of the page and you'll see the login button. Click on that to access your account. At this point, you'll be shown different login options. You might see choices such as logging in with email or third-party platforms like Google. For this tutorial, let's choose to continue with Google. It's typically the quickest way if your account is linked, plus you won't have to remember another password. Now that you've chosen to log in with Google, you'll see a list of accounts associated with your device. Simply click on the account that you use for Todoist and you'll be redirected back to the Todoist interface. After successfully logging in, you'll be on your Todoist homepage. Take a moment to look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or an icon. If you've not set a picture, click on this image icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, you're next going to click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your Todoist experience. Focus your attention on the left-hand side menu once you're in Settings. Here, you're going to look for and select Theme. Clicking on this option will direct you to several theme choices. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, selecting the dark mode. On this theme page, there should be multiple options available. Simply click on the dark option to select it. You might notice the interface starts changing right away. Once you've chosen the dark mode, don't forget to hit the update button. This is crucial as it saves your new display settings. It's easy to overlook, but ensures that your preference is applied permanently. Lastly, after updating your theme, you can go ahead and close the settings. You're all set. Your Todoist should now be in dark mode, offering a refreshing change and hopefully a more comfortable experience for your eyes. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. Enjoy your newly customized Todoist.